Hey there, fellow iPad users. If you're struggling with limited storage on your device in 2025, you're in the right place. With apps, photos, and videos piling up, it's easy to run out of space, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through some simple, effective ways to free up or expand your storage. Let's dive in. First off, start by checking your current storage. Go to Settings, General greater than iPad storage. This will show you what's taking up the most space, like apps, photos, or documents. It's a great way to identify the culprits quickly. Once you see that, begin by deleting unused apps and files. Swipe through your home screen, uninstall apps you don't need anymore, and empty the recently deleted folder in the Photos app. This alone can reclaim a ton of space without much effort. Next, leverage cloud storage. Apple's iCloud is a game changer in 2025. With the latest iOS updates, you can automatically offload files to iCloud while keeping them accessible on your iPad. Head to Settings greater than, your name, greater than iCloud, and enable Optimize iPad Storage. This means your larger files, like high-res photos or videos, will be stored in the cloud and downloaded only when you need them. If you have a subscription, iCloud Plus offers even more space with features like iCloud Photos and shared family storage. For even more options, consider external storage. Many 2025 iPad models support USB-C accessories, so you can connect an external hard drive or SD card. Apps like Files make it easy to transfer and manage files between your iPad and these devices. Just plug in, open the Files app, and move items over. It's straightforward and affordable. If you're still tight on space, think about upgrading your iPad. Newer models in 2025 come with higher base storage options, like 512 GB or 1 TB, and faster SSDs. Plus, with trade-in programs from Apple, you might get a great deal. Always back up your data first using iCloud or a computer to avoid losing anything important. There you have it. Simple steps to get more storage on your iPad and keep things running smoothly. Give these tips a try, and you'll notice a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech advice, and drop a comment below with your storage hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.